Hello everyone, with your programs. In this video we publish Flutter application to App Store. Now we open account, then certificates, identifiers, add identifier, select app IDs, continue, select app, continue, description, eShop, then we add bundle ID and we can create bundle ID, select continue, register, then we open developer, account, apps, then add new app, iOS, name, eShop, select language, English, select bundle ID, then we open Xcode, runner, in capabilities, copy artprograms eShop app, bundle identifier, and add to Sky. We can select limited access, create, and we update name, open Xcode, then we select phone, start build runner, open screen phone. Now we create archive, select product, archive, then select validate app, validate, done. Select distribute app. We can select App Store Connect, TestFlight, Release Testing, Enterprise, Debugging, Custom. We select TestFlight. Done, and we open TestFlight, then we select manage, none, save, open distribution, then we add screens for iPhone, and add screens iPad, then we add description, and need add support URL, marketing URL, and add build. Then if we have authorization, need add information about user and add contact information. Then we can add name application, subtitle, select category, add documentation, need add privacy policy, and then we can select add for review. This all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.